garden, and a problem is, how do you water these rows of corn once you hill them without having to move a hose along and taking hours to fill the ditches and then move the hose each time? So we're looking for a way to water all of the ditches at once. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay, well, we have a 3/4 inch cap, PVC cap. We have a swivel, a PVC slip swivel, so we can glue that end on, and then this end has a pipe thread for a hose. We're gonna glue those on the 10-foot PVC piece that we have here. Alright, now I'm going to drill holes in the lines with my rows. Alright, so we've used a 4-piece plastic hose connector set that's a quick connect, because I don't know about you, but I like to be able to quickly use the hose when I need to in the garden to water somewhere else. So since this will be on for a long period of time because it's watering all these rows, I want to be able to quickly disconnect it and take this over and use it for watering something else. So here we have this stake, just kind of holds this in place. You don't have to have that, but it's kind of nice. And then you just pop this in like that, turn the water on, and you're good to go. So let's see how it works. Okay, here's the finished product. Here's the hose with the stop valve on it. You're gonna snap it in, and there we go. So, as you can see, in these troughs here that have already been watered, the water didn't quite make it to the end of the troughs. So that you might have that problem. We made our troughs a little long this year. So the easy thing about this system is you can just lay it in between the corn. You can slide it right down at the bottom and not worry about breaking any of the corn. Where they're really strong, send it across, line up the holes with the valleys, and turn it on to get the second little part that was missed. Make sure it gets nice and wet so all your corn grows the same.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.